This is the makeup guide you didn't know you needed in your life. I'll be sharing my 9 makeup essentials with you. Let's check out these 9 essentials, which will give you an everyday look and you're ready to go. As always, we want to start off with a good base. My go-to is the Essence Prime Plus Studio Mattifying Plus Pore Minimizing Primer. It's super easy to apply with either your hands or a brush. Your skin will look matte and even, and your foundation will last even longer. Moving on to foundation. The Essence Soft Touch Mousse Makeup is feathery light and lets your skin appear matte and natural. It comes in 13 different shades, and I prefer it for an everyday look. Nothing can go wrong with it. I don't know about you, but I always need a little coverage. The Essence Camouflage Plus Healthy Glow Concealer is my holy grail. It's super easy to apply with your fingers or a brush and gives you that healthy, natural glow. Now, we need to set the base. My very favorite is the Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. It's translucent, which makes it compatible with a huge variety of skin tones. It has a very fine texture and the finish is matte. If you like blush, you can't miss this one in your bag. The Essence The Blush comes in 6 different shades. This always adds a natural flush and gives you a healthy look. Looking for something to tame those wild eyebrows? I got you. First, I'm going to shape them with the eyebrow pen. To make sure they stay in place all day, I'm using the Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. This one had me a princess, because who doesn't want to feel like one? The Essence Lash Princess Mascara in Waterproof gives your lashes length and volume. Also, it's waterproof. Next up, lips. This must be one of my favorites in the bag. The Essence Shine 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 lip glosses come in various colors. You can either use them as they are or layer them on top of your favorite lipstick. Either way, you'll have extreme shiny lips. Click here and keep on watching.